Hello friends, today we're going to be shooting my Remington XP100. It was originally born and chambered in 221 Fireball. It's a single shot bolt action pistol made by Remington. It's got the Leupold 2.5 to 8 power Model 8 scope on it. I've had this gun for several years. I first saw this gun in it's been 45 years ago, maybe a little more. I was 8 or 12 years old. It was purchased by a friend of my father's, Rocky, back in Forks, and he had it converted to the 6mm Remington by an old truck driver who hauled freight out to Forks. It was still known as the West End in those days. In the blackball freight truck, and that was before refrigeration units, and we used to catch the last delivery at Paul's grocery store and pick up the dry ice they threw out of the back of the truck and play with it when we were kids. My father bought this gun and gave it to me as a gift in '93, I believe. I received it. I was in a log camp in Anita Bay on Etland Island, southeast Alaska, and it's the first time I had seen it in years. When I've had a rough week, like this week, I like to come out and just do a little plinking with this baby and relax and unwind and enjoy myself. So we'll see how she shoots. Fairly loud, so. This thing's actually a lot of fun to shoot, and it is extremely accurate with the 10-inch barrel. It'll put shot after shot after shot in a snooze can all day long. And that, whoops, darn it, and that is one way to unwind after a tough week. Thank you.